Hi everyone, and in this video I'll be discussing getting your kit car registered and licensed. Hi everyone, and welcome to the channel about building a kit car and other car topics. If you like what you see, please subscribe and hit the notification button below and share with others on social media. One of the biggest pitfalls you could have when building a car is dealing with the registration and licensing in your state. And every state is different. On the forums, there's a Factory 5 guy that had an issue with proving he built the engine that was in his car. The DMV actually confiscated his engine, and to my knowledge, he never got it back. They considered it stolen since he had no paperwork proving that he bought it and built it. I recently called the Arizona Department of Motor Vehicles to discuss getting a kit car registered and licensed. They said to keep all the proof of purchases and make sure the engine, transmission, and rear end all have their serial numbers on the receipts. If you get your parts from a donor car, you have to show the dismantled title from that car. You also have to go to a specific location for this type of inspection. Once you have all this in place, it's only $16 in my state to get registration tags, and there's no emissions test. Now, to get your vehicle down there without a trailer, you need to apply for a restricted use 3-day permit, which you can't do online since you don't have a VIN number yet. And this will allow you to drive your car to the test. So you have to go down to the office first and apply, and then within the 3 days, drive your car down there to get inspected. I hope this sheds some light on what it might take to register your vehicle in your state. And remember, all states have different requirements, so verify before you act. Until next time, please hit the subscribe button and notification buttons, and have a great day.